Without her, you know say there's no Oluwadolarz. There's no intelligent Tokpe. There's no Oyin Super Girl. There's no Ayomide. Scientific Ayomide. Without her, there's even no Ife Love. There's even no Baby Dolarz. Ladies and gentlemen, please, my fans in the building, please, if your hand not too busy, please make a clap as a welcome. Mommy Dolarz in the building. First off, people would wonder, as African mom will you be, you now don't nurture a lot of talent. I don't mention all the great celebrities where you get as kids. You know, say Pekin Day, Kids Day, and Children Day. When your child is successful, now kids. If you just did it, now Pekin. But you, I get many celebrity kids. If you get one major secret, we use tie as rope, as cord to join the family as one. What do you go be? All your family, all your kids. If you get one major secret, will be like weapon we nobody know about. Where you feel say now this thing gonna be the secret will make all my family come together and bond as one. What do you go be?
That question is very, very, very expensive.
How much you go pay to collect answer?
But no problem, I will answer you.
All right, Mama.
It's not easy for me to tie my family together as one. But I did, and God helped me. So the secret there is, number one, prayer. Number two, I make sure my children have the fear of God in them. As a single parent, it is not easy when you don't have anybody to support you, when you don't have anybody as your companion. But to me, the Lord helped me with prayers, the word of God, and I encourage my children.
A round of applause for Mommy. It comes to say I do TED Talk. Like a TED Talk, they call them for Oyinbo. I said, but Mommy, I know say acting and being a mother will be very challenging for you. It will be very challenging for you. But you don't ever make any mistake where you regret?
Mistake when I'm acting or
As a mother?
As a mother.
Yes. Because acting, they there, and of course, raising your children, they there in the way of the Lord, like you said, with prayer and also fear of God.
A lot of mistake.
A
lot of mistake, because when it's only you, you make a mistake. If I say no, I'm lying. There's no way you do when it's only, even when you are two, you make a mistake. Not to talk of when it's only you. You made a mistake, something will happen to you that will say, but it's within you and God, the mistake. You say, okay. You meet yourself in a place that you think that, how did I get there?
You must now you go who for this. Mommy don't speak English since you know tell me when I was
okay.
Na pidgin.
Okay, na pidgin.
To make it -2 now your mark. -2 from your mark now. Oh yeah, go on, Mama.
So you go just see say how you take rich here.
I'm sorry, but pidgin ain't legal.
Pidgin easy láti sọ. But I will try my best, Madam.
All right.
For people to understand.
Definitely.
So you say, but how did I? God.
It was how
I take rich here. So how I take rich here. So that's all. That's all I can say.
So I want to ask one very funny question, and I want to make it very plain, very true to me, Abi. If money miss for house, out of if money miss for house, out of Dolarz, Tokpe, Ayo, Oyin, who you go first suspect?
Dolarz.
Oluwadolarz won't fool me. Why? He like money, Abi.
Dolarz, he like money. And Dolarz go tell Tokpe, say, Tokpe, go break mommy purse. Yes. If Dolarz say, Mommy, I need something, and I say, Dolarz I no get, I beg, leave me. Go say Tokpe, come. Tokpe na in companion. Tokpe, come. You know, say Tokpe free with me. Where Tokpe know where they put all my things.
And it's very intelligent.
Very, very intelligent in doing everything in the house.
Sure.
Yes. Including carrying my purse, go give dollars.
Mommy, I would like to make it very open because we want to learn from you. It is very common. It is very common of African parents so they carry cane, they flog their pikin. You dey flog your pikin when they grow under you?
I dey flog my pikin.
You flog Dolarz where?
I flog Dolarz where.
After I go to phone big boy, put this on camera. I go to phone big boy outside.
I dey flog Dolarz where. I go tell Dolarz, say, put on your glove. We won't fight today. If Dolarz don't offend me, I go lock all the house. So you lock everywhere.
So you believe in that pattern of disciplining a child?
Yes, I believe in it. Because if you don't discipline your children, you will not gain your children. I'm gaining him today because I discipline him. Now me discover the talent in Dolarz. Now me discover the talent because if when Dolarz day school, Dolarz will not, go sit down for inside class. Dolarz go day under tree in the school compound, and Dolarz go they do comedy for them there. Oh. Yes. And Dolarz go they sing for them. Dolarz knows how to sing very well. It's the singing parts that I discovered before we start, and I support him. I support him. We go to the studio together. So that is it.
So for some of our parents, we say, read your book. Sometimes this talent is going to show face and I'm going to do strong head. African parents. Sorry, mommy, not see you. Also, I look through all the celebrities where you give birth to and we also do well on the screen and even off the screen. And I wonder, if you go pick one person who will say they supply most of the creative ideas for house, who it could be? If I want to do one small skit, one small drama.
Dolarz,
I need the flock part. Then say they supply creativity.
Yes.
I could the cane they bring the inspiration.
They bring the inspiration. Wow. If I never slap, I know you heard me the correct.
Oh my God. All right. So, but deep down, I know say you got to do a lot of cooking in the house and a lot of chores. Take me through it. Who they wash plates? Who they sweep? Different chores where they the house. Yes. Who they do them?
Everybody has his own work in the house. Tokpe do wash the plates, wash the toilet. That is Tokpe, intelligent Tokpe. That's why I say Tokpe is intelligent in doing everything in the house.
Okay, so if you wash toilet, it will make you intelligent more. Okay.
Your wife no go fit just put you for. Your wife no go cheat you. So nothing where Tokpe no fit do inside the house. And only super girl.
Yeah.
That's my second born.
And I noticed that only they very low key.
Only they very low key. But if you search very well, go and check Dolarz video from down. Only is the first person that was doing skits with Dolarz. But Sunday she just changed it. I no do again, Jerry. This thing no let me face my book. But she's the one that is most brilliant out of my children.
Who Oluwadolarz?
Dolarz.
So we will just move that Z, turn that to D, Dolarz. Okay, go on, Mama.
So cooking.
Yes, cooking
is only super girl. Sweeping the floor is scientific Ayomide. Yes.
So maybe you don't watch Netflix, you don't watch yourself for television.
No, I do support and supervise.
Confirm.
Especially in the kitchen.
What would be like the most enjoyable, sweetest meal where everybody like you to the cook well for house? A
jollof rice.
Oh.
With dodo.
Oh. A round of applause for mommy. Hey, what's good jollof for?
Chook mouth. Wazobia.